Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's topic is going to be very important for class 5 to class 12 students, and not only that, the students those who are preparing for competitive exam. The topic is direct speech versus indirect speech. What is direct speech and what is indirect speech? First and foremost, you have to understand that. And then how do we change direct speech to indirect speech and what is the need of changing it? Okay, so let us understand one by one. When two people talk one to one, that is direct speech. For example, you see here, she said, I'm extremely tired. If you notice here, she said, I'm extremely tired. I am extremely tired, said by whom? She. Alright. So here I'm extremely tired is the exact words which are said by her. Alright. So this said is known as reporting verb. Please understand everything. Said is known as reporting verb and I am extremely tired. Okay. This is inside the quotation mark or inverted commas. Alright. Remember, inverted commas are always placed after the full stop if it is a statement. If it is an interrogative sentence or maybe exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, then accordingly this inverted comma will be closed after the question mark, full stop, or maybe after the exclamation mark, depending upon the structure of the sentence. Alright? Okay, so this is said is reporting verb and I'm extremely tired is reported speech. So when the speaker's words are said as it is without any alteration, any transformation, any change, that is known as direct speech. Suppose हम दो लोग बात करते हैं और हमें अब उसी बात को किसी थर्ड पर्सन से बताना है, ठीक है, किसी तीसरे व्यक्ति को बताना है. ऑलराइट, शी सेड, सपोज उसने हमसे कहा क्या, आई एम एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड, और मुझे अब किसी थर्ड पार्टी को बताना है, तो मैं ये तो नहीं कहूंगी कि शी सेड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड. नो, शी सेड दैट शी वॉज एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड. ऑलराइट, सो हाउ विल वी चेंज इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच? नोटिस हियर, सबसे पहले हम कॉमा और इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को हटा देते हैं. ठीक है, ये हटाने के बाद हम इसकी जगह पे बीच में क्या लेके आते हैं? दैट इज अ कंजंक्शन. सो कीप इन माइंड कि हम जब कॉमा और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को हटाएंगे तो हम क्या लगाएंगे वहां पे? दैट. ऑलराइट, ओके. नाउ देयर इज अ ब्रिज which is working to connect these two things, reporting verb and reported speech. What is that bridge? That bridge is conjunction that. And now how we will do it? She said that she was extremely tired. Alright. And this is known as indirect speech. And now we will not use any comma and inverted comma. That will be replaced. Let's see one more example. Rohan said to me, comma. Here, what is reporting verb? Said. Alright. And what is reported speech? I will not do it. This is reported speech. And this is said by whom? Rohan. Alright. Rohan said this. किससे कहा रोहन ने? मुझसे कहा. Alright. रोहन ने मुझसे कहा कि मैं ये काम नहीं करूंगा. Alright. अगर मुझे अब किसी और को बताना है तो इसे कैसे बताएंगे? रोहन टोल्ड मी. याद रखिए, जब सेड टू मी होगा तो ये टोल्ड मी हो जाएगा और ये टू हट जाएगा. ऑलराइट, सो रोहन टोल्ड मी दैट ही वुड नॉट डू इट. विल चेंज टू वुड. सो रिमेंबर, whenever we change from direct to indirect speech, there are certain rules to be used. In this video, I just gave you the introduction where what many things you understood. First thing, you understood the exact words of the speaker is known as direct speech. And when some changes are made in the words of the speaker while reporting it, that is known as indirect speech. So here, Rohan told me that he would not do it. In place of I will not do it, he would not do it. So this is in indirect speech. So here you understood the basics of direct speech and indirect speech. In the next video, I'll teach you how do we bring changes according to the tense and how do we change personal pronouns and the other changes also. So keep watching.